If you have ever used AI to script your videos and you're wondering why it's coming out sounding so fake instead of sounding like you, then this video is for you. You can absolutely teach AI to write and sound like you. And the problem with most people and AI tools is that they just go there and say, write me a YouTube script about so and so, and they expect AI to read their minds, read how they sound like, and give them specific answer. You are giving too much room for the AI to guess what the average YouTube script sounds like. If this is your first time seeing me, welcome on board. I upload videos about how to create better content, how to get the best out of AI tools, and basically how to grow online. Let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to give the AI chat the most natural script of your actual voice, not just to tell it to sound casual. Usually, when most people, when they are done writing the vague prompts, at the end of it, they just tell it sound casual.
Huh?
The tool does not know what casual means in relating to what you want, so you really need to give it the definite detail to get the best out of it. Now, if you do it like that, you're going to still come out with a robotic answer because casual means nothing to AI prompt models. What actually works is pasting in a chunk of how you really talk. Like maybe you have an old transcript, or even you're just rambling on your notes app, or you're talking about a random topic, let's say for 2 minutes. So when you give it such prompt of how you already talk, it's going to take how you enter into new sentences, the way you restate your sentences midpoint. That is what gets you a real prompt that sounds exact. That is what gets you a real script that sounds exactly like you because this time you've given it a reference. Now AI models works better with references. Secondly, you have to actually tell it what to avoid, not just tell it what you want or what you don't want. Because AI has these patterns it fallbacks to whenever it is unsure. You start seeing opening phrases like let's dive in or buckle up. You have to name all of these phrases in your prompt and tell it, don't do this. Because if you don't add it to your prompt, it will definitely do it every time because that is how it is by default. Another thing to take note of is the structure. And this one is a bit tricky because it feels helpful when it is actually hot in your script. AI loves announcing itself. You will notice phrases like first, we'll talk about this, then we'll cover that, and finally we'll wrap up with that. Nobody talks like that in real life, right? When you are explaining something to a friend, you don't narrate your own outline. You just get into it and just get into the flow. So you tell AI, don't number the point out loud. Don't announce what's coming next. Just flow with one idea into the next, like you're in the middle of a conversation with your friends, and allow the thoughts to come one after the other. The last point you have to take note of is length. If you don't give it specific numbers, it will stretch 3 good points into 8 minutes of repetition just to hit the runtime. And that padding is exactly what makes your script feel bloated and obviously artificial. So tell it the actual word count you need. Let's say something like 1600 to 1800 for maybe an 8 minutes video. So it's forced to say whatever it needs to say without wasting time. It's going to respect that word count and probably respect the value of your content as well. Now you put all of this together in one prompt and remember your actual voice sample, the list of words you want to avoid, the instruction to mix up the flow on purpose, the instruction to not announce your structure and give it a real word count to work with. And when you put all of that together in one place, what you get is a script that sounds 100% like an actual person is talking. If you want to skip the try and error phase I went through trying to figure out how to prompt with these AI tools, click the link in the description. It will take you to a program, one-on-one program where I sit with you and teach you the act of prompting. You can go from being a beginner who struggles with his or her prompts to being an expert who even helps other people with prompting as well. Now, if you benefited from this video, please like and subscribe so that I get to make more videos for creators like you. Don't forget to leave your interesting comments. I can't wait to read them. See you in the next one.